Eco-friendly travel, a path to sustainable adventures. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly important topic: eco-friendly travel. As we become more conscious of our planet's health, understanding how we can explore its beauty responsibly is crucial. So, if you're keen on discovering how your travel choices can support environmental sustainability, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this green journey together. Eco-friendly travel, often referred to as sustainable travel or green travel, involves making travel choices that reduce our negative impacts on the environment. It's not just about where we go, but how we get there, what we do, and how we interact with both nature and local communities. The goal is to preserve the beauty and health of the destinations we visit, ensuring they remain vibrant and welcoming for generations to come. In this section, we delve into the significance of eco-friendly travel. With the growing concern over climate change, pollution, and the loss of biodiversity, it's more important than ever to adopt travel practices that contribute positively to our planet. Sustainable travel can help reduce carbon footprints, support local economies, conserve wildlife, and promote cultural preservation. It's about making thoughtful choices that ensure our adventures today don't come at the expense of tomorrow's opportunities. Choosing sustainable modes of transportation. Opt for transportation options that minimize environmental impact, like trains, buses, or even cycling and walking for shorter distances. When flying is unavoidable, consider direct flights and airlines committed to carbon offsetting. Supporting eco-friendly accommodations. Seek out hotels and lodgings that have green certifications or practice sustainability through energy efficiency, water conservation, and recycling programs. Respecting nature and wildlife. Always follow guidelines designed to protect natural habitats and wildlife. This means staying on marked trails, not disturbing animals, and adhering to leave no trace principles. Engaging with local communities. Support the local economy by choosing local and sustainable businesses. Whether it's dining at restaurants that source ingredients locally, participating in tours operated by local guides, or purchasing souvenirs made by local artisans, your travel dollars can have a positive impact. While eco-friendly travel is the goal, it's not without its challenges. Accessibility, cost, and convenience can sometimes make sustainable choices seem difficult. However, planning ahead, being flexible, and staying informed about sustainable options can help overcome these obstacles. Remember, every small choice can lead to significant positive changes for our planet. Thank you for joining me in exploring the ins and outs of eco-friendly travel. As we've learned, making more sustainable travel choices is not just good for the environment, it enriches our travel experiences, making them more meaningful and rewarding. We all have the power to make a difference with the way we travel. Let's make our adventures count for the planet and future generations. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.